In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp. Let's get right into it. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to My Workspace. This is your main hub where all your spaces, folders, and lists live. Think of it as your command center. Everything you'll need is accessible from here. Next, click on the specific space you want to filter. Spaces are the top-level containers that organize your work by team, department, or project area. Picking the right space ensures you're looking at the correct set of tasks. If you manage multiple teams, double-check you're in the space where those tasks were created to avoid an empty result later. Once you're in the space, look for the filter option near the top of your view. Click Filter to open the filtering panel. This is where you control what shows up in your task list. Filters are powerful in ClickUp and can layer multiple criteria, but for this walkthrough, we'll focus on status. In the filter panel, click on Status. This focuses your filter on task states rather than assignees, dates, or other fields. Completed items in ClickUp are typically represented by the closed status, so that's what we'll use. Now, click Select option within the status filter. This opens the list of available statuses for the space you're in. Depending on your workflow, you might see several custom statuses, but the one we're after is the terminal state. From the list, click Closed. This tells ClickUp to show only tasks that have been marked as completed. If you see a checkbox or a tag-style chip, make sure Closed is selected so it's visibly active. If Closed appears more than once, or if there's a toggle, click Closed again to confirm it's applied. The goal is to ensure the filter shows that Closed is the chosen status and nothing else is competing with it. You should see the filter indicator acknowledge your selection. Finally, click outside the filter panel to close it and apply the filter to your view. Your task list will refresh and you'll now see all tasks that are completed in this space. If nothing appears, it likely means there aren't any completed tasks in that location or you're in the wrong space or view. You can reopen the filter at any time to adjust or clear it. That's all you need to view completed tasks in ClickUp. Remember, you can keep this filter on while you switch between lists within the same space, and you can remove it later to go back to active work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.